Chai with Varu. It's spring season here and that calls for a very refreshing recipe. So in this video I'd like to share with you a very refreshing Quinoa Strawberry Salad. So let's get started. The first step is to cook the quinoa. This is the cooked quinoa. While the quinoa is getting cooled here, let's now slice in these strawberries and make the dressing ready for the salad. Do try this easy, refreshing quinoa strawberry salad and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.